Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After exiting and re-entering my position today, I found myself dancing dangerously close to overtrading, something I typically avoid. I usually follow my quantified entry and exit strategy with strict discipline, but the choppy sea of price action today pulled me into two quick moves before settling into a clean entry. That final entry was established around $102,400. As of now, it's holding up nicely with a 1.73% gain, printed when price reached $104,100. All of this came after the failed recovery attempt and triangle structure breakdown discussed in my previous video. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is trading above the key level at $103,400. This is exactly the apex of the symmetrical triangle structure that's been developing. Price is currently flirting with $104,300, a level that has acted as consistent resistance since the breakout from the 70s to the hundreds on May 9th. If bulls can push through that dotted yellow resistance at $104,300, expect the next target to be $104,900, the upper bound of short cluster 1. Beyond that, the next magnet is $105,400, the largest liquidity hotspot visible on the 3-day liquidation heat map. Speaking of the heat map, we can now see more than 420 million in short liquidations stacked up at 105.4K. Just yesterday, that number was in the low 200s. This suggests market makers are eyeing that level for a sweep and liquidity grab. There's no other logical target right now. If you're a bull, buckle up. The next surge could be rewarding. Meanwhile, Bitcoin ETF inflows showed strength on the 14th, with total purchases of 319.5 million, primarily driven by BlackRock's clients, who alone accounted for 232.9 million. Today, however, we're seeing outflows of nearly 300 million, though BlackRock's data is still missing. Once their numbers are in, today's net flow could flip back to green. Overall, today was a win. What began as a triangle breakdown evolved into a majestic V-shaped recovery. Let's keep a sharp eye on the price action and assess how we'll manage the exit on this current trade. I'll keep bringing you these daily updates. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay in the loop. And see you in the next one.